Hi viewers, today we will discuss on truck accident liars. Before going into the depth, I will explain about the truck accident. Basically, dear viewers, truck accident liars handles the entire settlement or trial process of your case. They identify the liable parties, gather evidence, and talk to the witness. Dear viewers, once you found the truck accident on the road, after that you have to discuss with your truck accident lawyer because you know that once they have enough information, they negotiate with the insurance company. And important thing, what does a truck accident attorney do? Basically what he will do for you if you will hire to the truck accident lawyer in case of accident. Basically a truck accident lawyer can identify the reliable party or the parties. He will collect evidence, interview eyewitness, negotiate with the insurance company, and take the case to trial if necessary on your behalf. Another thing, what are the most common type of the truck accident causes? Because some causes are happened on many different truck accident. Like I will tell you here, one is rear end collisions, head on collisions, jackknife accidents, T-bone accidents, side swap accidents, and wide turn accident. These are the most common type of truck accident. And if what is called when the truck flips over? A rollover is a type of vehicle crash in which a vehicle tips over into its side or roof. Dear viewers, regarding the truck accident, lawyers, actually if you or a loved one suffered injuries as a result of an accident involving a truck, you are most likely in pain and trying to determine your next steps. A truck accident lawyer can identify the liable party or parties, collect evidence, interviews, each and everything I already explained to you. After that, a truck accident attorney can handle all aspects of your case while you focus on healing or taking care of an injured family member due to an accident that was not for your fault. Dear viewers, potential defendants in a truck accident cause may include but are not limited to the truck driver, truck company, trucking company, the truck manufacturer, shipping company that loaded the cargo, insurance companies, government entities. If the truck driver is an independent contractor of a larger truck company, an issue may be how much supervision the company executes over their contractors. Dear viewers, you know that regarding the proving your truck accident case, you know you are not at fault for your accident, but you must prove this in your insurance claim or in a court, because if you will not prove, then you will face many problems. So in this case, truck accident lawyers or the attorney play a very important role to defend you, to explain your all the story. There are four basic elements of negligence in the personal injury um, cases involving vehicle accident. A person injured in a truck accident must prove the truck driver on you a duty of a care to drive reasonably and safely. The truck driver breach or violated that duty of care. The breach of care cause you, damages you receive in a personal injury. Actually, there are many things, but I will highly recommend it to you. Ben Crumb Trial Lawyers for Justice. This company is very important and very popular. Ben Crump Trial Lawyers for Justice, and they having the number toll free number 800 710 3555. You can directly consult with them, and moreover this company also good. Another one also good, that is called, company name is, I will let you know, that is also very important in the USA. And that company, the location, I will tell you. Just give me 1 minute. I will explain to you. Where is that one? Yes, I got it. I got it. Basically, yes, actually, Halbamos, Habla Mos Espanol, Ceolides, company numbers 888 307 3448. This company also very important. The CEO Lawyers Personal Injury Law Firms is a leader and educating the public throughout the. So this company also, you can anytime you can contact 888 307 3448. The CEO Lawyers. So CEO Liars is the company name, very famous all over the world, and I hope you found very informative and very information in this video. But highly recommended. Ben Crump also having the good market share regarding the truck accident lawyers, and you can contact with them. And with this one, CEO Lawyers also very good company regarding the truck accident lawyers. And if you will go to the more companies, there are many companies, you can contact with them. CEO Lawyers I recommend it to you. And other is also the law place also very good company, and they have the good staff lawyers, and you can 24 by 7 you can consult with them. The law place, a law firm, the number is toll free number, anytime you can contact with them, 941 444 and 4. Dear viewers, I hope you got lot of the information. And this firm is a large commercial trucking industry and playing also very important role in the world. Thank you so much. I hope you got lot of the information. Please keep watching and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thank you so much.